Hi everybody, it's Rick. I know a lot of people are feeling kind of helpless right now with the COVID-19 situation and trying to figure out what they can do. And well, here's something that I figured that I can do. I saw a plan to be able to 3D print face shields for first responders and medical workers. And this is something that's running, very, very short for people. So I know that we're trying to produce more of these. What I was able to do is download a file that a company up in New York has made available to the public. And I'm able to 3D print this because checked with my principal and my superintendent, and they let me bring home the 3D printer that's in my classroom. So I'm going to give this a try and see what happens. And right now I'm going to make a prototype, but if this works, then hopefully I'll be able to spend more of my time off making these mask kits. If you have access to a 3D printer, it's actually a pretty straightforward STL file. When you download it, I'm using the Cura program that comes with Ultimaker, and it downloads right onto the plate. So it's very easy. I don't have to scale it up or do anything to change it. The only thing that I did do is change the layer height so that it prints a little faster. When I first put this in, it looked like it would be about an 8-hour print, and now I got it down to about 2.5 hours. If you have a faster printer, you could probably get it quicker than that, but in my case, that's about what it's going to take. So hopefully this is all going to get going soon, and I'll let you know how it comes out. Hi everybody, it's now the next morning, and the print took about 2.5 hours. It was a little longer than I wanted it, so I might try to change the file so it prints a little faster, maybe uses a little less material, but it looks like it came out really good. I'm going to take it out of the printer. You can see it's one solid piece, and where this is going to go, this will be the visor that goes on someone's head. And now that we have this part done, we can start to attach the other pieces so it's actually wearable and usable. I've only told a few people about this, but already word is getting out. I've got 2 requests from healthcare workers for these. These face shields are apparently in very short supply, and they add an extra barrier of protection between the healthcare worker and whoever their patient is. So here's the final assembly. It's actually very simple. It is a sheet of overhead transparency plastic, which most schools have many, many boxes of laying around because we don't use it much anymore. On the inside of the visor, I've attached a piece of adhesive foam. It's used as insulation around refrigerators or door handles. And then a piece of elastic that goes around and holds it in place. The other thing that gets 3D printed too, let me show you, is a little clasp so you can feed the elastic through. So all together, once this is assembled, it really only takes a few minutes to put the rest of it together. I'm planning on adding somewhere between 5 to 10 additional sheets of the plastic, and it can pack flat in an envelope so it can be mailed anywhere. So I've already had a few requests from friends who are nurses and family members who are in healthcare, and hopefully I'll be able to make lots more of these and distribute them to anywhere they're needed. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.